Hi, my name is Liza Kirkish. I'm 16 years old. I'm from London, and today I will be reciting a poem called The Oak Leaf by Patrice Broca and translated by Olga Schatze. The darkest clouds won't terrify me. I can withstand the fiercest winds. I cling to life, all storms defying. As to its branch, an oak leaf clings. Through autumn rain and gloom despairing, it blazes with a copper glint. And when a vicious wind comes tearing, the oak leaf merely swings and rings. In winter, when the cold turns mean, and every night a blizzard blows, the oak leaf violently screams. Another branch on which it grows. But when the spring its magic weaves, the oak leaf welcomes it, enthralled, the seeding place to young green leaves upon the ground it softly falls.